are my peeps. I have the look of a partier because, sweet mercy, we did some serious partying at church last night. It was awesome. Brother Joe Campatella preached just, well, if you know Joe, you know. There are really no words. And before that, Pastor led us in a charge, and I am dealing with the Pentecostal croup today, which is totally awesome. If you don't know about the Pentecostal croup, it's the best illness you could have. Makes for great memories and a peaceful mind. So on this New Year's Day, I wanted to remind everybody to stick with your goals. Check in on your goals today. If you've not set your goals yet, do them. If you've got questions about goals, you can ask me, and there are I've posted some book suggestions of people who are heavy goal setters, book suggestions that they gave me. But let me say this one thing about weight loss and exercise, especially if you're just starting. Those of you who have been at it for a while, you may want to set a goal. Actually, I don't want to say what kind of goal I'm setting, but anyway, perhaps later I'll talk about that. But you want to set a goal instead of I want to walk a mile. You want to say, oh look, I have followers. You want to set a goal that is closer to something that you can do every day, and that would be walk for 5 minutes. It may not be smart for you to set a goal of walk for a mile. You should say, I'm going to leave the house, I'm going to walk for 3 minutes, and then walking back, you've just walked 6 minutes. That's excellent. There is nothing too small or menial about that. That's very important. If you're bedridden, your goal is get those ankles moving, get those toes moving. I'm going to lift both my legs off of this bed. There is no goal too small, too insignificant. Where you are, you must start there, and it's worth it. Have a happy new year. Make a happy new year. And get to a Pentecostal church. It's just amazing. Ciao.